Good morning, Kampus people. Departemen Business and Management ITS hold an international conference on business and engineering management. This event discusses how the scholars should learn not only about their passion, but also what we need to build the business in the future. So, I'm Luputu and this is the news. IconBEM 2020 with theme Leveraging Technology and Business Excellence Models for Sustainable Growth in Disruptive Era. It's held by Departemen Business and Management ITS to be one topic of the discussion and inspiration, which is intended for scholars to be ready in working. So, they should have hard effort to compete well. IconBEM invites some speakers, namely Mr. Chi Liang Yu, PhD from National Yanlin University of Science and Technology, Mr. Andre Apakerti, PhD from Queensland University, and Mr. Fajar Harisampurno as a CEO of PT Barata Indonesia. There are several things discussed in this session by the speakers, such as financial notes to academic and practices, social network and the effect, problem of acculturation, digital disruption for manufacturing industry, etc. This event is held as the final stipulation for scholars, which will be continued by doing presentation of the publication result about marketing, finance, and operational.
Seseorang dituntut menjadi pembelajar yang bisa mengupdate ilmu pengetahuannya setiap saat. Maka sesuai dengan kompetensi yang dibutuhkan oleh perusahaan atau organisasi, kemampuan untuk berpikir secara sistem yang kita namakan dengan sistem thinking, termasuk bagi calon lulusan dari ITS supaya daya saingnya semakin tinggi di dunia kerja maupun di pengembangan karir selanjutnya.
That was the news about IconBEM 2020. From Oakwood Hotel Buildings, our crew reported.